full recording?
We'll do our video. The lobby. Oh, that one's going down there.
These are big cars.
Yeah, I'm gonna go up and then down. Then I'm gonna ask you to stay in this one because I'm gonna use the bathroom. I think there's one around the corner.
Okay. I guess I can stay in the car.
Or yeah, just stay upstairs so you can somehow you can set one down, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh no, my focus is going. Stay. Why don't this just stick? Stick. Come on. Jeez.
We got the down charm. Oh, ooh, you can get a view.
That's right, we can get a view. Yeah, you can actually go out on that deck too.
Let's go out. Oh, the door is messed up. Wow, look at this lovely view. There's the tech center down there. Nice.
Nice. I'm used to like that.
Oh yeah, that one. There's these ones.
I'll stay on the car.
If you want to ride it up.
Yeah.
I guess if you're continuing your video,
Yeah,
I
right.
can watch the numbers go up.
Sure, if you want to do that. You're just using the bathroom?
Yeah, there's because the pool and stuff's on the first floor,
Wow.
so the bathroom's probably there too.
Okay, makes sense.
Anyway. There it goes. And we're gonna take some more rides on these Kone elevators. We're in car 3.
Is the elevator itself going to be undisclosed here?
Yeah, we're gonna keep this location undisclosed.
Sounds good to me. For now, at least.
These are actually very nice, but I really do think these were modernized. Because these are from 2002, and that's not 2002 Kone, you know?
We can get that. What do you want?
We can end it down here. Get a take of this lobby. Anyway, yeah, we can stay down. We're done, yeah. Yeah, we're done. You can come out now. We'll watch it close. See if it goes anywhere. Nope. Anyway, Anyway, so we took some neat still photos. We're gonna head on up these stairs. is. I wonder what's up here. That's right. It's the elevator equipment room. But before we go in that room, we'll take a walk down this hall and check this out. We can get a view at this little window. We just undo this hook. All right. Jeez, it's hard to undo with one hand. I think this one is. Mm-hmm. Oh, here we are. Take a look. That opens up to a very nice view. And don't drop my camera. Very neat. Let's close it back up to the best of our ability.
That's as closed as it gets.
All right, let's go over to the equipment room. Tripping hazard. It's the light switch. Take a look at these. These are Kone elevator machines. Sounds like the machines for the other two cars are right around the corner there. We'll go take a look at those. Look, you can see the Kone brakes that make the donk sound. Look at that. It's really just an Ecodisc mounted in the machine room. That's really all it is.
It's a big Ecodisc.
Yep. And I'm pretty sure the high-rise motors are just two Ecodiscs sandwiched together. Oh, take a look. There's a screen. This is neat. You can see where all the cars are. Two of them are up on 24.
That's weird.
Yeah, one's on 23. This one's going to 24. Oh no, I was kidding.
It's going to 11.
Uh-huh. I think one's the one we took, and then another one's just there, I guess. That's neat. You can see the how they're all going. Oh, someone placed a call. You can see it's going to get it.
The residents complain about these.
Oh, hold on, I'll show it in a second. Look, the dog's pooping in it.
Yeah.
Do some work, slackers. Typical. I ain't paying rent.
I love the accurate drawing of the machines too.
That's funny. Oh, here's some more machines. These are Kone. And you can see where the, look, you can see where the ropes are put. Listen to those loud brakes. See if I can see the brakes undoing. don't hear them. But they well, I hear them. I don't see them. I most certainly hear them. How about we get a shot of these? Oh, look at this. It's the Nylube cable luber. I guess it lubes the cables as they go by. And then I believe the rope gripper would be here on the other side. Or I guess perhaps these don't have a rope gripper. I don't know. Did you turn off the fan? Oh, I guess it just came off via the timer. So take a look at this. We can see this controller. It's a Kone Ecosystem 831 controller. Very neat. There's a button that says buffer test. I don't know, I'm not gonna push it, but I wonder what happens when you do.
Oh, that.
Yeah, it says buffer test.
Just the things on the bottom.
Yeah, I wonder how.
You know they actually do crash.
Oh yeah, and check these out. This light comes on whenever the elevator's in the door zone. It's kind of neat. And then these are all just random. Oh, I bet these all. Yeah, these are all just random. Random. Just indicator lights. Oh, look! See, drive down light comes on. And watch, the door zone will flicker as it passes the door zones. I wonder what all these lights mean. There's a light that says the speed is greater than 0.1 meters a second. That probably means it's like running. I'm sure that does. Interesting. We'll close that up. We'll get a shot of all this machinery. I don't want to mess with it much. I just want to look. Don't touch except to, yeah. Oh, check this out. Here's some.
Those are the car buffers.
We can activate it. You pull the pin, I think. Yeah, and then look, you
Then you can
flip the switch. That's neat. Put that back. These are a lot lighter than they look. Yeah, so let's see how the.
Down call from the top.
Yep. Someone on the top wants to go down. And it's
Down
going to bring car
yes.
number 1, so it's going to bring this elevator. This is the service car, I believe, car 4. Yes, this is the one that we rode up on. Oh, and then this one just moved like a floor or two. Interesting to see an Ecodisc get a whole machine room to itself, rather than just being at the top of the shaft. And then there, this one goes back down. Here they both go. What floor is car 4 on? It's on 1? And then car 4 is now going down. Car 4?
Yeah.
Interesting. I guess the arrows don't match up with the direction. I guess I must be reading them wrong.
That's backwards.
Someone had Arby's. Very neat. But anyway, let's not stay too long here. Let's see where everything is. Somebody called, car 3 is currently traveling to a car call on 22. Very neat. Anyway, let's make our way out. There's your controllers. Anyway, let's see ourselves out, turn the light off. And there we go, we got ourselves a very awesome view of that very neat machinery. Leave the door as it was like ajar. Oh, now it's locked. Anyway, we'll end the video over here. I think we got ourselves some really neat footage of this Kone elevator system. Anyway, there's a view, a beautiful night. Anyway, that's it.